Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you've ever been in a vehicle where, let's just say you go to start it and it doesn't start because the battery is either dead or almost dead and you need to jump, this video is for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you give a little overview of our vehicle, our 12-volt battery jump starter? Who am I to say no, but in no way whatsoever will this being provided to me affect this review, because I am just here to keep it real. So if you don't know, there's a thing called a jump starter power bank. It is almost an essential if you have a vehicle, and here's the reason why. Because if there's not another car around to give you a jump, if your battery's just low enough not to turn over, this little thing will come in so handy, and it's so easy to use. Let me explain. It comes with this. It comes with a USB-C cord, and it comes with this. That's it. That's all you need. It does come with a little travel carry sack that you can put in your vehicle. How easy is it to use? Well, let me show you. You turn this thing on right here. Boom, nice LED display to let you know how much juice you got left in this, so you know at all times if you have a just in case need for a jump. On the top here, it has a LED light. With the click of a button, now you have a light, so if you need to get a jump and it's at nighttime, you have this extremely bright light. You could also set this up to operate as a strobe. So if you're on the side of the road and trying to do your thing and trying to let people know you're there, you have this option as well. Then all you gotta do is on the top part here, there's two little ports. You take one in, you stick it in. There's only one way to put it in. You stick it in there like that, and now you have a little connection. You got some light indicators going on, and then let me show you what it's supposed to look like on a battery. So then you connect the positive, the red, to the positive terminal on the battery, the negative to the negative, and it will turn green. And if you can hear that, there's a clicking sound. That is a 60-second countdown timer that allows you to go into your vehicle, either press the start button or turn the ignition key. When you turn the ignition key, this will send upwards of 2,000 amps to the battery to get it started. It says here in the instructions from a safety standpoint, if it doesn't start after about 30 seconds, give it a break and then do it again. You can do that for about 5 times within a 15-minute period of time. But the vast majority of times, from my experience, it's gonna jump you instantly. Very, very cool and convenient. Another cool part about this is once your vehicle is jumped, the device instantly disconnects the power that's going to the battery to not damage anything. There's some kind of crazy controllers that are in here that understands that, oh, the battery and the vehicle is all now working. No extra juice is needed. You also, from a backup power, you have two USB ports. So if you need something to make a phone call or whatever you need to plug something in, this also serves as a backup battery power bank. And then you also have the LED display that lets you know how much juice you have left. And then you just use this import right here. So if your battery here is low and you need to fill it back up, you could charge this and get you going, and saving this for just in case. So whether you have a vehicle on a rack in storage, or you have a riding lawnmower that uses a 12-volt battery, or you just want to have this as a backup just in case, hopefully this answers any questions you might have about this particular item, but more importantly, that these things even exist. Hope this helps, and we'll talk to you soon.